Hello, my billionaire family. Welcome back. Today we'll be on DIY eyebrow tutorial. As you guys can know that I'm pregnant, so that is why my face is swelling up like that. So today I just decided to let me make up for myself. So I said, okay, let me do the eyebrow tutorial for you guys that I've not done a DIY eyebrow on my channel. So let me know if you have any question, please. So I start by using veebeauty eyeliner in black. That is what I'm using to fill my eyebrow. So you can go for brown color if you want, but the reason why I'm using black is that as you can see that I'm dark in complexion already. So me using that black, I did not make it to be too dark. So I make it to be light on my brow. So if you are using the black color, make sure you light your hand. That is, if you are using it, don't make it to be too dark. There is a way that if you are doing it, you can still reduce the darkness if you are doing it on your face. So that is what I'm still doing now. I'm still filling the eyebrow. So please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe. I'm very sorry about my voice. I'm strong, and the time I'm recording this voice note is around after 3 in the middle of the night. So that is why I have to make my voice very low for me not to wake up my children. So now I'm using wet concealer and highlighting LA, right? If you notice, I do love this concealer very well. It's very nice, guys, and it's not expensive. It's something that you can purchase as a makeup artist, and you need affordable concealer. You can go for this. All these products I'm showing you that I'm using, guys, I do sell them. So anyone you need, you can just DM me or WhatsApp me and let me know. So now I'm using my concealer now. To bring out the shape of the eyebrow. I'm using the concealer now to bring out the shape of the eyebrow. So I'm using the fluffy mouth brush to blend the concealer now. I'm using the fluffy mouth brush. I'm using it to blend the concealer. So now we'll go to the upper area. I'm very sorry about the lighting of this video. I'm using my front camera phone, because if I say let me use the back, I won't be able to really see what I'm doing on my face. So that is why I use the front camera of my phone. So I'm very sorry about the lighting of this video, but I'm very sure you will understand what I'm doing in this tutorial. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and also follow me on my Instagram page at glambeauty30. Glambeauty30. So I'm trying to adjust that area there. I've overused concealer there, so I'm adjusting it now. I'm adjusting it. So I'm still using the concealer. So I'm through. I'll be going to the other side now. Doing the same thing. So if you have any question, you can let me know at the comment section, guys. If you have any question, you can let me know. So I'm doing the upper area now. If you are doing the upper area, don't use much concealer, guys. Just little, so that it will be easy for you to blend. It will be easy for you to blend. So that is it, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your loved ones, and I will talk to you in my next video. And please, I'm doing upcoming online training. It's just 1,000 naira. You can register for the online training, guys. It's just 1,000. You can register from anywhere. Bye. Hello, my billionaire family. Oh my God, who is this? Is this me, Jesus? Oh my God. I just decided, let me do makeup for myself today. So what do you think about my makeup, guys? What do you think? Joseph, stop that. So what do you think, guys, about my makeup?